Assalamualaikum. Hello, my dear brother and sister. How are you? A very good morning to all of you, and welcome back to my another brand new video in front of you, in front of your brother and English learner. And you inspire my brother and sister. Hope you are doing great, exceptionally well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I'm also your brother, younger brother, also great. And I'm trying to your brother every single day and trying to improve speaking skills and also as well as listening skills. So why your brother learning English every day and making video in front of camera every day? There is only one option, and I listen one things. There is no, and I believe that our mother tongue, Bangla is our mother tongue language. So we don't get any opportunity to learn and listening English and listening Bangla, listening Bengali. But we have to. It's essential to practice more and more. And in front of camera is a great opportunity to learn English. So it's help you to remove your shyness, and also when you remove your shyness, you can easily speak English in front of many people. So why I love to make video in front of camera, because my planning is to become an expert digital marketer, and also I want to become a my plan is I build a agency in Bangladesh. I want to build an agency in Bangladesh. So it's a digital marketing agency. So as an agency owner, as an agency founder, essential to speak in English and communication skills. And the communication skills and speaking skills a little bit difference, but and you can see what little bit difference I want to show you. Suppose like that. You are a customer in my clothing shop. Okay, suppose you are my customer. So at the situation, you came to my clothing shop to buy something. Okay, to buy something. So and you tell me, hey, could you suggest any cloth to perfect me? So and at the time I get an opportunity to convince you. So yes, sir, you can take this shirt. Is good for you, sir. And also this is the you put this for a long time. This is a convince. But if you don't speak clearly at the situation, your customer will not convince your behavior, your but you but communication and convince and two is totally not different, and adjustment. When you communication betterly, but you think people think you have a psychology thing. What the psychology you can tell me? Psychology in man and maximum marketer and communication people, and about 10 minute schools, I'm sir, and also some and. Farhan entrepreneur in Bangladesh, and most of them Neil Patel, and the Neil Patel is digital marketing is the famous person, is a Neil Patel in the world. So most of the time I listen this video because he made the English video, he make English content. So that's why, and as well as I collect some information about digital marketing, and also I improve my listening skill as well. Okay, come to the main point that what the psychology, what's the customer psychology. Suppose like that, and I told you you are my customer, you came to my clothing store to buy things. So you, my customer, you are confused to what do you need in your vacation, but you are not clear. At the situation, I have to understand your psychology. Sir, can I pay for you one thing is good for you? It will be good for you. Yes, sure. Sir, you can see this. It's the perfect for you, and we have a more color. We have a various color in our stock, available in our stock. If you want to see, I want to show you. Okay, thanks for it. Thanks for you. So it's good for me? Yes, sir, good for you. This is the convince and communication. But if you don't speak, yes sir, sir, okay sir, it's not good. Speak confidently. Always speak confidently. That you know that. Don't afraid. When you are afraid, everything customer understand this boy is not perfect for me, and but customer wants to go another shop to buy something. Okay, I hope you got my point. But I'm a digital marketer person, so I know how to do a digital business. So I wanna show you as a I can't build you digital marketing product and data. I build you and I grow you digital e-commerce marketing. So if you want to build if you want to build a company and clothes shop and whatever you want, the honey shop and organic food and make a social media page. If you need to grow this channel, I can do this easily. But I have a 3 years experience. I work as a digital marketer and at a 60 interview for 1 year. Right now, I have been working. I have been working the perfect man at a digital marketer for 2 years running. So and I manage our social media page, and sometime I need to make a poster and offer packaging all of this. So as a digital marketer need to know, I need to basic knowledge everything like graphics designer, video editing, AI tools, marketing funnel. Fundamental is essential for a digital marketer. So someone but at the opposite side, someone thinks digital marketing is very easy for me, and they buy they buy course from IT center. But after 6 months, they will destroy. They will not get the proper job. They will not get the and they will they get a customer, but. What they need, what does the customer need? They don't understand it. Oh, sorry for that. Someone has come here. That's fine. I okay. Come to the main point that. So you have to, as a digital marketer, you have to understood what does need the customer. What does the customer need from you? The customer weakness point. Sir, do you afraid about that? I will solve you like this. If you afraid and just trust me because I believe my work, and inshallah I will get you and a good opportunity and good better things for your pace. When you can't try with your customer and explain about your business and also your competitor weakness point, your client definitely will got your point or got your thought what do you want to do, and you perfect for his store and his brand. So I've got it my point. So and also and look at me, and great thing I want to share you. So, and you tell me, brother, how can you, how will you grow my social media page? So, as a digital marketer, I have a lot of things. I have a lot of strategy. As a digital marketer, we don't like to grow a business only one way. We have a lot of we need to lot of plan and we need to reach out the market and kids at a competitor weakness point and everything whatever you want. So as a digital marketer, and if you want to become a digital marketer, so what should you do? Okay, so so you have to select specific things. You have to specialize like in Facebook as Facebook social media manager, and Google email marketing, and Facebook, and also influencer, data collector, and data entry, lead generation. Facebook has Google Ads, SEO, whatever SEO. Digital marketing included a lot of services. Okay, and also beside you have to know how to make a content for your customer niches. So it's content is the key to content is the heart for a business. If you make content and please the right audience, you will definitely got a more benefit, more leads for your business. Content is very essential, brother. You don't believe me, but Allah give me one talent me when I think about content and after 30 minutes I will get I can make content about my niches. Already I make a lot of content about my business, and I am not my business, my owner business. So and sometime most of the time I make video and content video, so upload them. So already we got a 10 K follower. It's only organic follower. It's not for the fake follower. If I want to organic fake for a random follower, and only one day I will we will get 1 lakh follower, but we don't want. This is the this is the useless follower. Someone you watch someone posted only 4 taka and 5 taka per follower cost per result, but it's not the perfect follower. It is not good for your business. So try to get try to make and try to take your niche follower, your targeting audience, so it will get your product and your business. So and also you get to reach more and more whenever you post and you post update and your vacation when you make a vacation package and vacation discountings, definitely do. So someone is not coming and I'm alone, and also my brother and also with my support staff, and so I'm making video and in the floor. As you can see there is a lot of light just around me. So it's very amazing. I hope you can hear me easily. Okay, so and now you can question me, brother, how can I improve our speaking skills?